Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating processes in biology, mitosis. So the way cells divide to create new cells. So by the end of this video, you will understand what mitosis is, why it happens, and the stages it goes through. So let's get started. So we are going to start with what is mitosis. Mitosis is a type of a cell division, or it's a process that results into two daughter cells, each having the same number of chromosomes as original parent cell. Yes, which means it is identical daughter cells. It's a process where single parents divide to make two identical daughter cells. They are identical. So, and it is this mitosis. It is how our body grows, it repairs tissues, and replaces old or damaged cells. So whenever you grow taller or heal a cut or your skin renews itself, that is mitosis in action. Yes, that is mitosis. Yes. So then let's jump on the here your unicellular organism undergo mitosis to reproduce asexually, and multicellular organism undergo mitosis to create new cells, to grow, to repair. Yes, to repair or replaces old or the damaged cells. Yes. So students, let's look at the stages of mitosis. So before mitosis starts, before actual mitosis starts, the cell goes through the period called interphase. The interphase. In the interphase, the cell grows in size and replicates its DNA to prepare for cell division. These cells occurs before mitosis. Yes. As here the DNA, each DNA have its complete copy. Now, once everything is ready, the cell enters actually in mitosis. When the interphase is already done, we go through mitosis. That is where mitosis starts. It happens in the five stages. So the first stage of mitosis is called prophase. During the prophase, chromosomes or genetic material condense or coil tightly, and the nucleus disappears. They condense into visible chromosomes. Each chromosome is made of sister chromatids joined at the point called centromere. As you know, I don't have yes, at the centromere. This is where each chromatids are joined. So this stage prepares everything from chromosome movement. So let's go to the second stage of mitosis. It's called metaphase. Metaphase, the chromosomes are running at the center. You see, they are running at this center. The center of the cell. This is the center of the cell. These are the chromosomes. This is the chromosomes where they are running at the center of the cell. Yes, and attached to microtubules. This is the microtubules. This is the microtubules. In preparation to split apart. Yes, so that they can split. Yes. So the next step is anaphase. So the anaphase chromatids separate to move to opposite end of the cell, and this ensures each cell contains identical chromosomes after splitting. Yes, it ensures that each side of the cell will get identical set of chromosomes. Yes, after moving to the opposite end, so that each opposite ends have the identical chromosomes. Yes, the same chromosome. Now the fourth stage is called telophase. Telophase telophase During the telophase, the separated chromosomes in anaphase, they reach the pores. The nuclear membranes each start to form around. That's why the nuclear membranes start to form around. Yes. So, and then the new nuclear form around each set of chromosomes. The chromosome decondense and the cells begin to split from each other. Yes. So here at this stage, the cell now has two nuclei, each identical to the original, two identical to the parent cell. So firstly, we are having the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. This is when the cytoplasm divides, forming two separate daughter cells. Here you see yes, it has divided. Yes, they have divided to get two daughter cells. In animal cells, the membrane pitches, while in plant cells, cell plate forms between the two nuclei, and just like that, two identical cells are created. So here is the whole process with drawings. This is how all the process was. Yes. So to recap, mitosis happens in these stages. Yes, we started before the mitosis starts. We are having the interphase, but the stages of the mitosis, we are having the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and finally cytokinesis. It's all about growth, repairs, and the reproduction of the cells, keeping living organism health and functioning. And that is mitosis explained. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your own classmates. Comment below, and if you want me to cover meiosis next, you can ask in the comment. Yes, you can ask in the comment. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So thanks.